Teams are now able to create and manage their own critical numbers. Each team can create up to 5 of their own. To create a team-level critical numbers set from the dashboard, first, click on the Edit Critical Numbers icon at the top of the Critical Numbers card. On the next screen, click Manage Team Critical Numbers. Note that only admins can create and manage team-level critical numbers. On the Team Critical Numbers Sets page, click Create for the correct teams, then click Confirm. Select your team's newly created critical numbers from the drop-down and add up to 5 new critical numbers. Team critical numbers are public by default, meaning all users in the company can see them. To make them private, so that only members of that team's huddle can see them, check the Secure box. To view team-level critical numbers from the dashboard, click the drop-down next to the current critical numbers team name, and then click on the correct team.